Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Storm. If you don't already know, before we get into this video, you already know, smash that subscribe button, that like button, and follow all of my social media, which I will have linked down below. So today we're going to be doing Winter's hair like this, and this is crochet. So I'm going to be using these jumbo twist braid outs. They're in 10 inches. I wish they came in 8, but they don't, so oh well. I'm also going to be using this edge control, and this is a grease that I use in her hair. And don't forget, you need your edge brush. And then these are the beads and the balls that I'm using because I just want her hair to match every outfit. So here you're going to see me just oiling her hair. I already greased her scalp before this video, but I mean, you guys know how to grease the scalp. But I'm going to go in with my jojoba oil, and then I'm also going to go in with her Pink Kids Detangler. This is literally one of my favorite detanglers that I use in Winter's hair. And then y'all already know I'm going to be starting from the bottom of her hair to from the root to the tip, or y'all see what I was doing. I'm going to be parting her hair. I am the worst parter ever, so this literally took me like 5 minutes to do, and that's why this video is sped up so fast. So now I'm just going to be parting her hair into ponytails. The pack actually came in with about 9 or 10 little twists, so I'm gonna make enough for the hair. And this is the finished product. I'm going to braid the ends, and then I'm going to kind of like Bantu knot it up. I know these probably look tight to you guys, but I promise they're not tight at all. So I'm just gonna start crocheting in the hair, and you can see why I put them in such these really small Bantu knots, because once I put the hair in and I crochet it, it becomes seamless, so you can't really see it. If you guys want to know how to, crochet hair, I do have a couple videos on my channel. Also, there are tons of videos that teach you how to crochet. But just for a little insight, I'm just gonna come in closer, and this is how I'm doing everything. And at the top, I'm actually going to do a few more. It's actually going to be 3 at the top instead of just 1. Say hi. Say hey.
Hi.
So I'm just going to be adding hairballs. I'm only going to be twisting it once. Some of them are super loose, so it may go around twice. Again, don't worry, you guys. Her hair is not tight at all. It's just that edge control is slick, honey. Now, if you want to keep baby's hair like this, you can. But I'm just going to go in and I'm going to add beads. The little bead thing that comes with it is very helpful, so you don't have to put them on one by one. But I'm just going to do like white, clear, and then some I'm probably going to do clear white. This is just me finishing up, and this is her hair so far. This is a great protective style, you guys. I always do this in Winter's hair. Her hair has grown so much just from doing this. So I highly recommend this as a protective style. going to slick down her edges with that edge control. You guys, this is my favorite edge control for my hair as well. So go get that ORS Kids edge control. I put so many people on in the beauty supply. Get that. And this is the finished result. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we will see you guys in my next video. Bye.